All right, so I want to show you how to make PowerPoint and Google Slides a little more accessible for students that have visual impairments. So I'm going to use an example in the mentoring course that I have. And you can see I have a Google Slideshow in this September introduction meeting folder. So this is a link to this Google slide. So what I did to get it in there was I shared it with the advanced settings to anybody who has a link can view. I copied that, and then I added the link into the Schoology course by doing the add button. So I want to put it in this folder. I'm going to get to that green line. I'm going to go to add file, link, or external tool. So what I had done originally was I had taken the link and just copied it in here and then added that. So the problem for students that are visually impaired with doing it this way is that the screen reader software that they use will not read a slideshow to them. So once I've got it added, I can see that, the link's going to be there. My students that don't have visual impairments, they'll have no problem reading this. But if I want to make sure that my students with visual impairments are able to see it, I want to attach a PDF version. So in Google Slides, what you're going to do is you're going to go up to File, and you're going to do Download as PDF right here. And what this will do is it'll give you a PDF version of the exact same slideshow. And the software that your visually impaired students use will be able to read this. So you have two options for how to get this PDF into your course. I'm going to go back to the course that we have that I was showing you, and I'm going to go back to that folder where I've got my September. So instead of putting it in with a link, you have the opportunity to put it on a page, a discussion, or an assignment. So I'm going to show you a page. The setup's the same whether it's an assignment, a discussion, or anything separate. This would make the slideshow that you have as well as the PDF work on the same page. So let's say I have, it's going to be the cycle 1 introduction, and I've got some directions like please view the slide show below. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach that PDF file by hitting this link button here. I've downloaded the cycle 1, and you want to make sure that it has that PDF version on the end, that file extension. So now it's attached as a link, so your visually impaired students are going to be able to see that. And then I want to embed the slideshow for my students that are in my class. So in order to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your Google slide. You're going to hit publish to web, and you want to embed that. And then you hit the publish button. Are you sure you want to do it? Yep. You get this crazy code. This is the code that you're going to use to put in to your course. So I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to go back to my Schoology course. And on this page, I'm going to hit the insert content button right here. I go to image and media. You can also do this directly from the Google Drive. From the web, media, copy, and paste. And then let me show you what this looks like. So now I have a page, and again, this is the same for a discussion, an assignment, or a quiz. So now, instead of having that Google slide thing, I've got the page icon there. And then you'll see when I go here, I've got my Google slide for my students, but I have a link down below that attaches the PDF version. That's going to be the best case scenario for your students that are going to be using the screen reading software. So I hope this helps. Thanks.